Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to remove sound on TikTok videos after posting, which means if you have recently uploaded a video on TikTok and after that you want to remove that sound from TikTok video. So how you gonna do that? So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, I will tell you how you can upload a video, and after that you can simply edit a video or sound. And here what you have to do, you have to simply select a video timer, and after that you can simply record the video. And after recording the video, you can simply select add sound here. So here you can simply click on add sound. Option is not showing because you have recorded with the original sound. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on the cross button here, and after that you have to simply click on save draft. In this way you can simply record the video, and after that you can edit the video as required. As you can see, I have recorded that video, and after recording I have tried to add new sound. And after sound you can simply upload the video. If it doesn't work, then you can also go back and save it to draft, which I have already saved. As you can see, this video has a sound. Now if you want to remove that sound, you can simply remove that sound without any problem. So in this way you can simply remove any sound from the TikTok videos without after posting. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.